best examples of a program we at Leo have built evidence around is the Goodwill Excel Center model. What I love about this model is it works specifically in states that allow adults past their high school year to get a high school diploma. There's many states where that's not allowed. And what these Goodwill Excel Centers do is they offer an opportunity for a client to come into the program to get their high school degree, to get post-secondary credentialing, all while surrounding them with childcare supports if that's what's needed, food if that's what's needed, a flexible work schedule if that's what's needed. A lot of those folks are working and going to school at the same time, but their goal is to not just have a job for their lives, but to have a career for their lives. And so students go into the Goodwill Excel Center, and then they come out, many of them going into the formal sector, most of them increasing their wages, earnings, job placement, those sorts of things. Those are the kind of solutions we need to be investing in the United States. If you look at the state of Arizona, they recently, through some testifying and work of the Goodwill Excel Center, said, yep, we're going to change policy and we're going to invest in this because the evidence shows this comprehensive approach works to move people to outcomes of earnings and employment and a life of dignity. And so more investment in programs like that, where a Goodwill Excel Center client walks through the door and they're able to not see that mess of a maze, but instead see something that really meets them where they're at, and those workers help them on that pathway out of poverty.